Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make these delicious and pretty pastries with this sweet puff pastry. Before we get started, head over to my website, meadowbakery.com. Sign up if you haven't already done so, and then close the page. Go to the courses website where you'll find a list of courses available to buy on my website. When you find the one that you like, you just click on it and you'll be taken to a sales page where there'll be a video telling you more about the course, and there'll be a bit more information down the page about what's involved in the course, and then you click buy and follow the buying process. To learn how to make the sweet puff pastry, click on the link above. I've already made my puff pastry in advance, which I'm going to use for this video. I'm going to put some flour on my work surface so that my pastry doesn't stick. Put a bit more flour on top and put some flour on my rolling pin. And then I start to roll this. My pastry is about this thin. It doesn't have to be too thin or too thick because it puffs up in the oven. So you don't want it too thick. And too thin as well won't give a nice height. So I'm going to cut a few squares. I'll start cutting here. If you don't have a square cutter, you can just use a knife to cut out the best square that you can. With this one, you have to push it down. Okay. Put it there. I'm going to put this to the side while I shape these ones. For this one, I'm going to add some almond paste, which I made earlier. To learn how to make this, click on the link above. Just pinch off a piece like that. Shape it into a ball and then put it in the center. And now I'm going to cut this part, then that, to make triangles. There and there. Okay. Now I'm going to fold one of the pieces to go on top, like that. And then this one, that one, and then finally this one. It's got almost like a pinwheel shape. Can you see? This is going to go on my prepared baking tray. That's one down. For this one, I'm going to add the almond paste in the center, and then I'm going to fold over this side and pinch them together. And then this side and that, like that. This one I'll bake it upside down so that it doesn't unravel when it's baking. This is also going on my baking tray. For this one, I'll add some of the almond paste in the middle. And like that, and like that. Just pinch it together and put this to the side. And this one, the final one, I'm just going to add some of my homemade jam. Leave a border around the edges. It will puff up when it's baking. So I'm going to lift this up, put it on my baking tray, and put this one as well. These are now ready to go in the oven. I'm going to brush some egg wash on top. This is a mixture of egg and milk. And around the edges. Okay, before I put these in the oven, I'm going to make another one with a circle cutter. Okay, this one. And I'm going to put this pastry to the side. Get a pinch of the almond paste, put it right on the edge like that, and then fold it over. And stretch the dough out, stretch it out like that. This sealed end will go to the bottom, so curve it into a crescent-like shape. I'll put this on as well with the others, and I'm also going to brush it with some egg wash. Okay, now these are ready to go in the oven for a few minutes until slightly golden brown on top. Okay, the pastries are ready and I've left them to cool down. This is the one filled with the almond. I'm going to dust them with some icing sugar. Okay. And you can see the bottom is nicely baked through. I'm going to cut this crescent one to show you what it looks like inside. There's the almond paste. Thanks for watching and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.